Davis was selected because President Jefferson Davis was the only president of the Confederate States, and Margaret, his eldest daughter, affectionately called Meg by her parents, were especially close. During the war, she wrote her father many letters of adoration and affection. Her middle name, Howell, was Mr. Jefferson Davis' middle name. Our chapter is sponsored by the Colonel Hiram Parks Bell UDC Chapter 2611. Cumming, Georgia. We have 8 charter members. Our chapter started a historical library for our members, placed 38 Confederate flags for Confederate History Month of April in the Cumming City Cemetery, decorated cans for the seat general presidents and division presidents, wounded warriors, collected $54 and participated in the Colonel Hiram Parks Bell UDC Chapter 2641 Confederate Memorial Day observance. We are to receive our charter and charter membership certificates at the 2013 Division Convention in Jonesboro, Georgia, on June 22nd, 2013.